Hi, first program student. Okay, so you probably have watched Mr. Bray's video about how to clean our Chromebooks and also saw the pictures from our bread swabbing project. Did you get to see all the molds there? It was gross, right? So that tells us why it's important to wash our hands often. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain you how to clean our devices such as cell phones or maybe iPads or Galaxy Tabs. So here with me, I have my phone, okay? I'm going to clean my phone with this baby wipes first. I take one wipe out and then starting from the screen, I'm going to wipe it, even the sides and the back side as well, okay? Now, If if you don't have wipes at home, you can actually use this alcohol swab. And I actually got this from the pharmacy. So it looks like this. It comes with a package, and I take one out. Then again, I'm going to clean the screen first, and then the side of my phone, and then the back cover. Okay, now my phone is a little wet, so I'm going to use the clean wipes again to dry it again, okay? The cover, the back side, and the side. Okay, it's all clean. Now students, if you or parent has cell phones or iPads or any kind of devices, remind them to keep their devices clean and also wash our hands often, okay? Bye!